This is a no stud TV drywall mount, and this thing is pretty sweet. You can see it's for 32 to 75 inch TVs, and I really like these. I've used a couple of them for a couple different TVs in my house, and I think they work fantastic. So I'm going to show you what it comes with. So the first thing it comes with is the plate. It will actually mount to the wall. I've started putting it up. I haven't finished yet, but you can see it just sticks on the wall here. It's got a little groove that the TV mount will hook into, and that will hold the TV on the wall. I just need to finish driving nails into all of these little holes to make sure it's extra stable, and then it should be good to go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and flip my TV around and show you what that looks like. All right, so I've got the bar on the back of the TV. You can see it's a little hook that comes over here. This hook is gonna go into the groove on the wall hanger, and I just use the included screws that come with the mount, as well as the little spacers. I don't know if you can see these down in here, but spacers that go in between the mount, just to kind of give a little bit of a gap between the TV and the wall. And so I've just screwed this in with the hardware that fits my TV, and then I can just put that on there when I'm done nailing it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish nailing that in, and then we'll get this mounted on the wall, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, I've got almost all of them in. I just have one more to do, and I was just gonna show you how to do that. So you just take the nail, you're gonna fit it through the hole. It will be up slightly at an angle, and you just wanna kind of follow that angle. Just pound that in. You can see I've got them all nice and flush with the back edge here, and you can see I'm not even using a very big hammer, just a little bitty hammer here. It doesn't take a lot to get this in there, and it's really, really strong against the wall, which is just great. So now I just need to take the feet off my TV, and then I can lift it up and hang the little edge of the mount on this, and then we're good to go. All right, you can see I've got my 65-inch TV up on the wall, and it is very sturdy. I'm not really worried about it coming down at all, and it looks fantastic. I'm gonna get a little bit of cable management going on here to tie up all my HDMI cables and everything and make them look really nice coming out of the bottom of the TV. And then this setup is gonna be awesome. I'm really, really happy with how it looks. I did have to put spacers just because of the way my TV's mounted in the bottom holes of my mounts on the TV, just to kind of make it so it's not tipping forward. But other than that, it just looks fantastic. I'm really, really happy with it. And the spacers were included with the kit, so it wasn't a problem. It was just something I had to do. So overall, I'm super pleased with this thing. Like I said, I didn't feel like I had a hard time installing it or anything like that. It was really straightforward, and the instructions were clear. So yeah, if you're looking for a solution for mounting your TV on the wall, I think this is a great choice, and I would highly recommend it.